Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Telegram trading bot. First, select a reputable trading platform that supports API integration. Next, open Telegram and search for Bot Father to create your new bot, following the simple on-screen instructions. Once created, Bot Father will provide you with an essential API token. Make sure to save this securely, as it is crucial for connecting your bot to other services. Now let's configure your bot. Clearly define your trading strategy, including entry and exit points, and the assets you wish to trade. Implement robust risk management rules, such as setting a maximum daily loss or a stop-loss percentage, perhaps around 2%. Finally, use the API token to securely connect your bot to your chosen cryptocurrency exchange, granting it the necessary permissions to execute trades. Before going live, it is vital to test your bot. Backtest your defined strategy using historical market data to evaluate its potential profitability and identify any weaknesses. Then, deploy your bot in a demo or paper trading environment to observe its real-time performance without risking actual capital. Once satisfied, you can launch your bot for live trading, but remember to continuously monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. To maintain optimal performance, regularly review and fine-tune your bot's parameters based on market conditions and your trading goals. Staying informed about current market trends, news, and technological advancements is also crucial for long-term success. For those looking to deepen their understanding of financial principles and wealth building, there's a fantastic resource. Make sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.